Right, that's the small inch job. Take this lintel out and replace it. She's a bit worn out. I did suggest to the old brickie to repair it, but he didn't seem too impressed with that.
No. No, you can't repair it. Well, you could do, but no, you couldn't repair it. Definitely not.
I'm only joking, I have got a lintel down there, just winding him up as usual. Yeah, I'm going to get that cut out. I'm going to try and cut the lintel out, worst way I'll prop it. But I might just rebuild it, it might just be easier. It's only a single skin there. I'll bring you back when I've got a bit of progress done. Right, I've managed to get the lintel out without damaging any of the brickwork. None of it's dropped a millimetre, so we're going to get the lintel back in there in a minute. I'm just going to grind all this out of a grinder so I don't risk any damage. Right, the lintel is in without disturbing any of that brickwork, which is beautiful. I've put some slate in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to resin it in. I've just got to check that she's level. She's pretty good. She's within a mil or two. Pretty good. So now I'm going to put a bit more slate in there, put some resin in there to make sure it never moves. And then obviously I'm going to wash all the brickwork down, and that's the end of that little bit there. So I'll bring you back when I've put some resin in it. I'm going to go and get something to eat, come back, and then point her up and take the prop out because it's all wedged in here.
Right, Ben's now putting in the resin ready for the crack stitch rods. Which really is an extra, but we won't charge them for it because we had a couple of rods in the van. Oh, it's still chilly though. Still a bit chilly, Ben, isn't it? I've taken all the hessian off now, so all that's finished.
Back on later on.
Yeah, putting it back on later on. So the rods are going in now. They do a good job, them bars, Ben, don't they?
Yeah, I'm only putting these in here just as a bit of a extra support.
Yeah, just in case, doesn't hurt. There's the new lintel inlet, lovely job. In goes the muck.
Make sure it goes right to the back, so...
Has to go right to the back so the joint's nice and full.
Now the reason I took the prop out is because I've wedged this in with slate and resin, so it's never going nowhere. So now I'm just filling it up, making sure this goes right to the back. Putting that in as an extra. I've resined it on this side and I'm going to point it there. I'll leave that out till it goes off. And really push it back.
I haven't bought my gold trowel out today. I'm sitting at home in the warm.
There goes your old Nokia. turn it off for a second. So what I want to do is get a bit of resin over there and there before I... All complete. These are just the raw plugs to put the guttering back on. There we go, all done. I'm going to put the guttering back on, bring you back for that. But that's the end of this little job. Nice and easy. No cracking, nothing at the top, disturb nothing, so absolutely brilliant. Just checks all the guttering's working and leaking. It's all put back on. No leaks, so we're good. She's all done. Nicely done. I'm going to trim that. That was always like that, but I'm going to trim that when I come back once the scaffold's out of my way. So yeah, that was the end of the little tiny job for the lintel. Not a massive job, but a couple of hours work. That's the end of this video. Bring you back on the next one with something different.